we will be seeing how to we will learn about the WordPress. So, and how WordPress sites can be created, and then by the end of the day, you will be able to create a website. Interesting.
Okay.
Okay. So, Merit, do you know about WordPress? What is the WordPress? Have you heard of it, or you know about it, or you what exactly you know about WordPress?
I haven't worked with digital marketing yet, so WordPress.
Okay. So, have you heard about WordPress?
Yes, I have heard about it.
Yeah. So WordPress is a software where I'll just give you a brief introduction before we go into the hands-on. So today it will be completely hands-on practice where you can create your own website today. So we will go one by one, step by step. I will tell you how to do it so that you can also practice. So to start with, what is a WordPress? So if you see the website, every day you must be seeing a lot of websites. So most of the websites, as the statistics says, 60 to 70% of the website now what you see on the internet is based on WordPress. Okay. So
okay.
So it's an online open source website creation tool. Why it is open source means it is free. So you can get the WordPress easily. So you can download it free, and then based on the theme you can customize as per your requirement. Okay. So it's the easiest and the most powerful blogging and the website content management system. So before going into the actual WordPress, I will explain what is content management system. The content management system is a process where there are two aspects of it. One is the front end and another is back end. So in the front end, whatever you see, let's say you give me some website name. So I was talking about the content management system. So whenever you feel that there is a voice break, you can just tell me so that I can repeat what I have told. And then anytime, if you don't understand anything, you can always stop me and then ask me.
Okay, thanks. Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so you can pause me anytime. I would love to answer your queries so that it is important that you understand each and everything before going ahead. So, so when we talk about content management system has two aspects. One is front end, one is back end. So the whatever website you see when you log into the website, let's say we say Amazon.com or any website for that matter. So what you see is the front end, and to manage that content, there will be an admin panel at the back end. So you will have a username, password, and when you get into the dashboard, you can change the content and then manage the content. All the content, all the features, all the menus, you can manage it as per your requirement. So that is why it is called content management system. So whenever you start working on a WordPress, you will have two aspects to it. One is the front end and one is the back end. So another option of WordPress is it is highly customizable, and there are many plugins. When we talk about plugins, plugins are third-party programs which will help you to enhance the feature of your website. So sometimes what happens is WordPress, basic WordPress websites doesn't have some features which you require. But to create your own feature, there will be a lot of plugins which you have to download, and then you can make that feature available for your website. So we will work on these things in a practical way so that you will understand clearly what exactly we are talking about. So this is just an introduction. So just to have an understanding about the terminologies which you come across when you work on the WordPress. So you can, you're able to see my screen, right?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. So let's see what are the features of the WordPress. So it is a user management. So it means that you, as a user, you can manage the complete website. And sometimes what happens is you might want other people with you as a team, or your associate wants to manage this website. So they can also manage your website, but as an admin, you don't want to give the complete access. You can restrict some access and then give it to them. For example, the whole website control is with you, but you want them to create only one article so that they can post it in your website. So you can make them as a user and then give access to only that portion of the website where they can post their article. Are you clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Great. So then we have the media management. So you can use your images, you can use the videos. So that is also very easy to incorporate in WordPress websites. So there are many websites which you must have seen videos, a lot of great images. So those images can be easily incorporated in the website. So that is one of the great features. Like, you don't have to code anything. The WordPress is a very simple and very easy to use software to create a professional looking great website. And you have the theme for the website, any category of website you want to give, whether it is educational, whether it is business, whether it is healthcare, whether it is hotel industry, real estate industry, any industry for that matter. You have a theme already available. You just have to choose the theme as per your requirement, and then it can be installed in the WordPress. So to be very in a simple way, you install WordPress, you install the theme, you change the images, you change the content, your website is ready. This is as simple as that. And who can use it? This also another few features like extend with plugins, as I explained with you. Like some features, let's say you are, let's take an example of healthcare. So healthcare, I have a theme, but in that theme, I may not have an appointment booking feature, but the client wants an appointment booking feature. So for that, you will have to have a plugin. So you can install a plugin of the appointment booking, and then that feature can be made available in the website. Am I clear?
Yes.
Great. So that this WordPress is also automatic. They have a search engine optimization. So when you work on a website, the search engine optimization features of search engine optimization is taken care. Sometimes we might, if you code and do it, you will have to write a lot of codes which is used for search engine optimization. But wherein if you design a website in WordPress, few things are taken care, which is important features of search engine optimization is taken care. And there are many plugins which will help you make your website search engine ready, because search engine has certain criteria to follow, and WordPress already have those criteria, and the plugin will take care of that. We will see that once we go further in this class. And another feature is it is multilingual, so you can have a multilingual website also. Like you can have a French, or you can have Arabic, you can have English. English is the default one, and any other language also you can create the content. And another option is you can have the importers. What exactly is important? It allows you to import the data. See that the complete WordPress is based on the database. So all the actions which you do in WordPress will be saved in a database. So once you export that data, and you can always take a backup using the database. So you have the security of your data. Even if something goes wrong, you can still install the WordPress back, and then you get the data back. That means sometimes if it happens that your website gets crashed, the server gets crashed. But if you have a backup of the database of the WordPress, even if the system crashes, you can reinstall the website and then get the data back. Am I clear?
Yes, you're clear.
Great.